Dear students, welcome to the video class of Foundation course. Today I am going to discuss about quadrants, variation of angles and AST's rules. Now let's start one by one. Quadrants. Quadrants. Two mutually perpendicular lines XO, X dash, YO, Y dash intersect at a point O. This is called origin, and divide the plane into four parts. This is first part is called first quadrant. First quadrant, that is X O Y. This is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, suppose this point is X comma Y. And first quadrant, both are positive, X plus, Y also plus. In second quadrant, suppose this is X comma Y, here X minus, Y plus. In third quadrant, suppose this is X comma Y, here X minus, Y minus. In fourth quadrant, suppose this is X comma Y, this is X plus, Y minus. These are the sign of fourth quadrants. First quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. That is, in first quadrant, first component is positive and second component is positive. In second quadrant, first component, that is X coordinate, is negative and Y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, X is minus, negative, and Y is also negative. In fourth quadrant, X is positive but Y is negative. Now about variation of angles. Variation of angles. Variation of angles. Variation of angles. Suppose this is the system of coordinates or coordinate system. This angle starts from 0. This angle starts from 0, right? Start from 0 and rotate, come to this position. This position is, what is the angle here? 90 degree or pi by 2 radian, and comes this position. This amount is pi by 2, means 90 degree, and this is also pi by 2. So total, this pi by 2 plus this pi by 2, total is pi by 2 plus pi by 2, which is equal to pi. And again rotation, make rotation and comes this position. This is pi, and again this amount pi by 2, pi plus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, and this comes this position, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, this amount is pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 2, means 2 pi. Again 2 pi plus this amount 90, means pi by 2. 2 pi plus pi by 2, that is 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2, and this is 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 6 pi by 2 means 3 pi. This is 5 pi by 2, and this amount is pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 6 pi by 2 which is equal to 3 pi, and 3 pi plus 3 pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi plus pi by 2, that is 7 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 8 pi by 2 means 4 pi, again 4 pi plus pi by 2, 4 pi plus pi by 2, 4 pi plus pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, and 9 pi by 2 plus this is 9 pi by 2 plus this is pi by 2, 10 pi by 2 means 5 pi, and 5 pi plus pi by 2, that is 5 pi plus pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, and 11 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 12 pi by 2 means 6 pi. Here, one half rotation, this rotation, this amount is pi by 2, this amount is pi by 2, right? So, rotation of the rotation along or according to anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction depends on the angles which are positive and negative. Positive angles means measured in anti-clockwise, and negative angle means measured in clockwise direction. Now, what are the observations here? This is this axis 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, that is even multiple of pi, even multiple of pi, right? Even multiple of what is here observed? Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, then 7 pi, etc. or multiple of pi. It is pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. What is the gap? 1 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. Gap is 4. Gap is 4 starting from pi by 2. Here pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, then 4, 9 pi by 2, then add 4, 13 pi by 2, then add 4, 17 pi by 2, like this. And this starts from 3 pi by 2, and gap is 4, add 4, 3 pi by 2 plus add the coefficient of pi by 2 by 3, add here 3 pi by 2 plus 4, 7 pi by 2 plus 4, 11 pi by 2, etc. Gap is 4. So we can write the short form of this, short form 4n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. If n equal to 0, then it is pi by 2, n equal to 1, 5 pi by 2, n equal to 2, 9 pi by 2, etc. And this can be written as, this axis can be written as in short form, which is equal to 4n minus 1 pi by 2, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot. N equal to, if n equal to 1, 3 pi by 2, if n equal to 7 pi by 2, if n equal to 3, 11 pi by 2, etc. These are all about the rotation of the or variation of the angles in different quadrants. Now, ASTC rule. ASTC rule. ASTC rule. ASTC rule. For what is ASTC? What is the full form of A, S and TC? A means all, S means sine, T means tan, C means cos. Or we can jokingly say add sugar to coffee. Add sugar to coffee, but it is not meant for mathematics. In mathematics language, the meaning of ASTC rule is in first quadrant A means all positive, S lies in second quadrant, S means sign, and its reciprocal cosec are positive, T third quadrant 3, tan and cot are positive, and fourth quadrant C, cos and sec are positive. Right? That is we can say in if theta, angle theta lies between 0 to pi by 2, or theta lies between 0 to 90, all are positive. All trigonometric ratios are positive. First quadrant, this is second quadrant. 90 less than theta less than 180. 90 less than theta less than 180 degree. Sine and cosec are positive. Sine and cosec are positive. And others are negative. Like this. This is in between 0 to 90, all are positive. This is 90 to 180, all are positive. And this is 180 to 270, right? This is 0 to 90. ASTC, all positive means 0 to 90, all positive. And this is 90 to 180, second quadrant, sine and cosec positive, others are negative. And this is T, 180 to 270, tan cot positive, others are negative. And 270 to 360, cos sec positive, that is fourth quadrant, others are negative. These are the facts about ASTC rule. How and why all trigonometric ratios in first quadrant are positive, and how and why sine and cosec in second quadrant are positive and others are negative. Similarly, in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive and others are negative. And fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive and others are negative. Why and how? Let's discuss. First quadrant. Explanation of ASTC rule. First quadrant. This is first quadrant, and this is theta, and this is suppose x comma y, this O and this is A and this is P, this is suppose x and this is y. Here x greater than 0, x greater than 0, y is also greater than 0. So in first quadrant, and this length is how much? This length is how much? Root over x square plus y square, right? And what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to p by h. What is p here? P, opposite angle to the theta, opposite side to the theta. This is p, and this is y, and this is x. P by h. P means y divided by root over x square plus y square, right? Here y positive, y is positive, and this amount is also positive. So positive divided by positive, so positive divided by positive is also positive. Sin theta is equal to positive quantity divided by positive quantity is equal to, so sin theta is, positive. If sin theta is positive, then its reciprocal is also positive. Sin theta greater than 0, that implies cosec theta also greater than 0, that is positive, because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So if sin theta is positive, then cosec theta is obviously positive. Then about cos theta. Cos theta is equal to b by h. This is b and this is h. X by root over x square plus y square. This is positive quantity. This is positive quantity, and this also positive quantity. So positive quantity divided by positive quantity is obviously positive. So cos theta is positive. If cos theta is positive, then its reciprocal sec theta is also positive. Now regarding about tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to p by v, that is y by x. Y is positive and x is positive, so tan theta is greater than 0, that is positive. That implies cot theta is also greater than 0, because cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. This the ASTC rule for first quadrant, and for second quadrant. For second quadrant, this is theta, and x, here x is negative, here this is negative, x is negative, and this is y. Y is positive, right? And this is x square plus y square. Here x less than 0, y greater than 0, but always x square plus y square root over greater than 0, because x square plus y square cannot be negative. So greater than 0. Now sin theta. In second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive and others are negative. How it is possible? And y. Sin theta is equal to p by h. What is p? This is y. Y by root over x square plus y square. Here y is positive, and this amount is positive, and this amount is positive. So positive by positive is positive. Sin theta is positive. Its reciprocal. Sin theta, its reciprocal means cosec theta. Cosec theta, that implies cosec theta is positive. Now cos theta. About cos theta. Cos theta is equal to b by h. B means x, x by x square plus y square. Here x is negative, this is negative, and divide by this is positive. So answer is negative. Cos theta is negative, then its reciprocal sec theta is negative. Then about tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B. P means y, y by x. Here y is positive and x is negative. So tan theta positive by negative is negative and it's reciprocal. That implies cot theta is negative. Now about third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, others are negative. About third quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is, if this is theta and this point is x comma y, suppose this P and A, this is y and x. Here x negative, y negative, and x square plus y square greater than 0, right? X square plus y square greater than 0. This is third quadrant. Sin theta is equal to here, sin theta equal to P by h. P means y, by h means this is x square plus y square, right? Divide by x square plus y square. Here y negative, y is negative, right? Y is negative, x square plus y square, this is positive quantity. So negative number divided by positive number is always negative. So sin theta is negative. If sin theta is negative, then its reciprocal cosec theta is obviously negative. That means cosec theta is negative. Then about cos theta, now cos theta is equal to b by h. What is b? Means x by root over x square plus y square. This is negative divided by this is positive. Obviously cos theta is negative and its reciprocal, that is sec theta is negative. Now about this is for third quadrant. For third quadrant. This is for third quadrant. Sin theta, cos theta we have verified, and tan theta. About tan theta is equal to y by x, P by B. This negative and this is negative. Negative by negative, tan theta, that is negative by negative is positive. So implies cot theta is positive. So in third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive and others are negative. Now similarly, to verify for fourth quadrant, explanation for fourth quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Suppose this amount is theta, angle is theta, and this is x and this is y. Here this point is x comma y, this is plus and this is minus. X is positive, here x is greater than 0, y less than 0, and this is root over x square plus y square. Sin theta is equal to here, sin theta is equal to P by h. What is P? Y by root over x square y plus y square. This is negative divided by this is positive. So result is negative. Sin theta is negative. If sin theta is negative, that implies cosec theta is also negative. For cos theta, now cos theta, for cos theta, what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to b by h. Cos theta equal to b by h. Cos theta is equal to b by h. What is b? B here x divided by root over x square plus y square. Right? This is negative. This is negative or positive? Here positive. In fourth quadrant x is positive and this is positive. So positive by positive. So positive by positive is positive. So cos theta is positive. And its reciprocal sec theta is also positive. This is positive, right? If cos theta is positive, then sec theta is positive. Its reciprocal sec theta is positive. Then about tan theta. Tan theta is equal to p by b. What is p? Y by x. P by b, and y is negative here. Y is negative here. This is negative, and this is positive. So negative by positive is negative. Tan theta is negative, implies cot theta is negative. That is, in fourth quadrant only sec theta and cos theta are positive and others are negative. These are the concepts regarding trigonometric functions of trigonometric functions, AST, etc. Thank you.